I'm Isopin Esther Oriba. I work with ASTEVEN Group of Company, which the head of sales. I'm in charge of sales in ASTEVEN Group of Company. That's Solar World. Okay, for Gospower, I think we started using Gospower for one of our projects. That's NDDC project, a solar generator. I think 30 kVA for each of I think we did like 8 Ed Center in Delta States. Sorry, it's not Delta State.
It's fine.
It's kilowatts. Yes, it's different location. We did one at Bomadi, Patani, Imo, Calabar, Ogoja. I think I've forgotten the other 2 locations, and the review we've been getting from the product is like superb. No complaint. You understand? Our system had issues. It was like a call. They just gave us what's it called? Feedback instantly, and they guide us on how to, I think, parallel the system. I'm not an engineer, but they guide us, and it was wow. And since then to date, no issue.
This NDDC project is the first time you used Gospower.
Yes.
Why did you use Gospower for this project?
My MD was talking about it. It was like he has read about Gospower. He has seen the advert online. So he was like, let's try it. Let's give it a try. And we did.
Okay, but you tried with that first project, the NDDC one.
Yeah.
It seems like a huge project.
Yes.
Why did they give a new product a chance in such project of that kind of magnitude? You should have had some concerns.
You answered that question.
Okay, good morning. My name is Ibami Arubushe, and I am the lead instructor for ASTEVEN Energy Institute. Gospower is a game changer in the renewable energy industry. I think my boss actually called and he spoke about Gospower some time ago, and I had to call 1 or 2 installers who told me the brand was reliable. They've tried it before and it was working well. So we tried it, and for the sites we used them, they were very nice product, easy to install, and we got very good aesthetics also because of the way the product is designed. And so far we have installed a lot of these products, not only in the Niger Delta, and we have even in the southwest part of Nigeria, in Ogun State, we have installed a lot of these products. They are very easy to install, and I think their hybrid system, also an high voltage system, makes the cost of installation actually lower. And so Gospower is a brand I would recommend to anyone, whether you are doing a small residential project or you are doing something like a mini grid. Gospower is a game changer in this industry.
So basically it was the word of mouth that you got from these engineers that made you decide to give the brand a try.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to clarify is, when you use Gospower for the first time, did you use it for that big project? Or because mostly as an engineer, when I get to know about a new technology, I like to try it first in a controlled environment to see how it works, the feedback, before I deploy it for a large scale project. So what I'm asking is, did you try Gospower in any small controlled environment, or just deploy it immediately?
Okay, so we deployed it in a big project. Why? Because we called 1 or 2 persons, 1 or 2 engineers who are very good with installation, and they confirmed to us that Gospower is good. They've not had any issues, and they spoke about the warranty also of Gospower, where if there is any factory error, they replace this product. So we had to use this information to work, and that's the reason why we trusted the product in a large project.
Okay, so basically we talked about the robustness of the product, the after sales service, which covers the warranty,
and also the high voltage. The hybrid inverter is high voltage, and it has multiple MPPT. I think for the 12 kilowatts, it has 2 MPPT. Yeah. And when you have a very high voltage, it makes the cost of cables small, and cost of installation is reduced in the process.
Exactly. So speaking of the 12 kilowatt, I was going to go there too. Ever since your first project, and till now, I know you've installed Gospower in a lot of sites.
Yes.
But I'm curious to know, which of the machines, which of the inverters or batteries have you used the most? Because most engineers have their preferred inverter and battery that they use. So, but do you have any preferred one that you use in most of your sites?
I think for our site, we have deployed more of Gospower recently. We have done, because it was deployed in our Nigeria
But I mean,
site.
Gospower, we have 1.5, 4,
Okay, I think
6, 12. So, which
the inverter was 12 kV, if I'm right.
No, I think the
Or
inverter was
12
12 kilo. I think
yes. Then
the
the battery was
is it 14 or
14.
you have 14?
Yeah, 14.3.
yes,
I
that's
think
what
14.3.
yes.
So most of your projects you've used the 12 kilowatts.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, that's what.
Okay, I understand. So based on what you've done so far, I know you must have had some kind of challenges.
Yeah.
I know earlier you said you called, we supported with parallel,
Yeah.
but apart from that, is there any other challenge that you've had during installation or after installation whatsoever?
No.
This is just to test the quality of the service that you get from Gospower.
Okay, so when you shift or when you are moving to a new product, especially for more current these modern products, the installer needs to be well informed about the product. I think that was the first issue we had with it, because our installers, they were used to other brands.
Yeah.
So we called and it was very easy to. I think Gospower responded immediately.
Yeah.
The system was configured the right way. And I think when it comes to replacement, also I think there was one of the systems that had one issue.
And
It was replaced immediately.
Yeah.
For some other brands, you need to take it back, you need to check, see what is wrong. Maybe spend about 12 to 13 days trying to diagnose the issue before replacing. But in this case, it was replaced immediately.
So highly responsive.
Yes, sir.
The turnaround time was
Yeah.
slow. Okay, it was fast. Okay, that's clear. Okay, we'll talk about the good aspect now, but in everything we do in life, there's always room for improvement.
Yes.
So you've known Gospower for a while, you've used our product and our service. I believe you have one or two feedback on areas of improvement.
Okay, in terms of areas of improvement, I think Gospower is doing very well. I think what I would just say, I think Gospower needs to have a 12-volt
Battery.
lithium battery. I think it will be a game changer. And because of the demand for the 1.5 kilowatt system, I feel a 12-volt battery would make that product sell better.
Right. Okay.
Because there's this shift in batteries. Everybody's moving towards lithium batteries.
Yeah, exactly.
2 wheelers, 3 wheelers.
Yeah, I agree. It's because of the lifespan, 10 years,
Lifespan,
15 years, it's durable. So basically just to make new products.
Yes,
Okay,
that's,
okay, understood.